Hello academic stars, welcome to Caltex Academy. In case you're new, my name is Julius and thank you for joining us today. Now board we have this beautiful question that says find the height of the lady and the cat. So in this scenario we have two situations where a lady is standing with a cat on her head and their total height is 170 centimeters. So if we decide to call the height of this cat as C, as derived from the name cat, and we also call the height of this lady as L, then the sum of their heights gives us 170 centimeters. So let's look at the second scenario where the cat is standing by the lady and we already given a notation for its height as same, and we know that the lady's height is L. Then we can model this situation in a way that the difference of the height of the cat and the height of this lady is 130 centimeters. So from here we can write systems of equation and find out the heights of this beautiful lady and this cute hat. So let's go on and do that. Now for the first scenario, we just simply add the height of the lady to the height of the cat, and this must give us 170 centimeters. So we can call this equation number 1. For the second scenario, we can subtract the height of the lady and the height of the cat, and this must give us 130 centimeters. Of course, we don't use the units while doing the calculation, but we'll always give the unit in the final results. Now we have gotten a system of equation called simultaneous equations, and we know there are various methods of solving simultaneous equation. Feel free to select any method of your choice and then you work it out to also prove what we're gonna get for this working. As for me, I'm gonna settle down for elimination. So let's rewrite these equations once more in order for us to execute elimination method of solving systems of equations. So our second equation is L minus C equals 130. Therefore, for us to eliminate, there are always two things to remember. One thing is you have to select what to eliminate, and secondly, look at their coefficients and the signs. For now, I would like to eliminate the C as the height of the cat. And when you're eliminating C, looking at their signs being different, then we have to add. So when you eliminate something with different sign, we always add, and we have to remember saying DSA, different signs, add, and when the signs are the same, so we say same sign, we subtract. I'm going with this, therefore we're gonna add these two equations together, and from here when we add our L plus L, we get 2L, and C plus negative C goes to 0, and that is why we have just eliminated it out. And of course 170 plus 130, we get 300. Then for us to get L, we divide both sides by 2, and dividing 300 by 2, we obtain 150. And of course this is the final result as the height of the lady, then it must hurry the unit centimeters. So you can see this elegant lady, so beautiful, with a height of 150. So for us to get the height of this cute hat, what we can do is to use any of the two equations we have just modeled from these two scenarios. So feel free to take either equation number 1 or equation number 2. For me, I'm gonna substitute the value L, that is 150, in our equation number 1. And our equation number 1 is L plus C equals 170. So substituting for L, we have 150 plus C, and this must give us 170. Making C the subject by collecting like terms, we have 170 minus 150. So the next step is to simplify this. Just we subtract and we get the value of C as 20 centimeters. This cut must be very tiny and small. Imagine 20 centimeters. This is how we get the height of this beautiful lady and the height of the cat. Which method have you used for solving out this system of equations? I am curious to know. Please drop it in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do so. Just spare some 1 second. It is free of charge. Subscribe to also give me that vibe of making more of these viral videos for you. And see you in my next upcoming videos. Peace out.